Your Isofast Plus tool is packed and delivered in a damage-resistant transport container with the following components: one Isofast Plus machine with spare parts, one instructional manual for the tool, one instructional manual for the power tool, one DeWalt DCB 118 quick charger, and two DeWalt DCB 205 batteries. To efficiently unpack your tool from the case, begin by unlocking and opening the transport container. Next, release the transport retaining straps. Remove your machine from the container and place it in a safe location. Attach your drill gun to the machine. When done with tool operation, remove the drill gun and all fasteners and put it back in the storage container. Thanks for watching the Isofast Plus informational series. If you have any further questions, please contact your local SFS sales representative or visit us at us.sfs.com.